CAL FIRE is launching a first-of-its-kind program to make homes more fire-resistant. It provides up to $40,000 for low-income homeowners in high-risk fire areas. The pilot program involves several counties, including the goal here is to retrofit 2,500 homes and create a template for other California communities.
This program helps make sure that all Californians have access to wildfire resiliency.
A lot of our focus is on ember intrusion. So as embers pile up, it creates a higher BTU and it can catch a home on fire almost from within or underneath.
CAL FIRE says it will formally present a report to state lawmakers next month about the success of this fire safety program.